What's up, guys? It's Tyler Dawe. I'm at it again in beautiful Bellwood. You know, when I talk to first-time buyers these days, all I hear is I want. I want to live in a cute village close to the water so I can walk to the lake. And I want to be 5 minutes away from a larger town with restaurants, fast food, and box stores. I want a double lot with mature trees, a country kitchen with a separate dining table. I want not one, but 2 living rooms, at least 2 bedrooms, and 1 full-size washroom. And I want it all for under $500,000. If that's what you want, then 5 Nelson Street is the place for you. Stick around, you're not going to want to miss this one.